equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for any dust removal. First, make sure your Dyson V10 is turned off and unplugged from a charger. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery release button on the back of the vacuum. Press this button firmly to detach the battery from the main body. If you find it difficult, don't hesitate to use a flathead screwdriver to gently pry it off. Remember, if you reckon this is too hard, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once the battery is removed, take a moment to clean the area where the battery sits. Use a clean cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a good connection when you install the new battery. Now, let's prepare the new battery. Before installation, check that the battery contacts are clean and free from any obstructions. Align the new battery with the grooves in the vacuum body. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Next, we need to secure the battery with screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate the 2 screws that hold the battery in place. Tighten them gently but firmly, ensuring the battery is secure. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the battery or the vacuum. After securing the battery, it's a good idea to perform a quick check. Turn the vacuum on to ensure it powers up correctly. If it doesn't, double-check the battery installation and connections. If you're still having issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can understand any potential costs upfront. Finally, if you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, consider our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help identify any underlying problems that may not be immediately apparent. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson V10 is a straightforward process that can be completed with just a few tools. Always remember to clean the area, secure the battery properly, and check for functionality after installation. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum serviced right at home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.